everyone. In today's episode, I would like to focus on the use of generative AI in sports analytics. So, artificial intelligence and sports analytics have significantly changed how team handles game strategy, player development, and scouting process. So, researchers and analysts use advanced statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and computer vision techniques to uncover previously hidden insights. So, football started using sports analytics a bit later than other sports. Still, there are already several innovative approaches currently using by these sports from different parts of the AI, like statistical learning, computer vision, and game theory, to enhance team members, coaches, players to make better decisions. So simple statistical learning tools now categorize player types, predict team trajectories, or evaluate the impact of players' action, like passes or tackles, leading to the goal. So same way game theory, which looks at the decision maker when multiple players are involved, helps to understand players' strategies during movements like penalty kicks or predict their actions. So recent advances in computer vision are being used to track players, analyze their posture, and even predict injuries by looking at things like how they walk and their level of tiredness. So, if we talk about using of statistical learning and football, it is help in predictive modeling of the player performance. So, if a football team wants to sign a new striker, they can use statistical learning to build a predictive model. So this model is based on various player metrics collected from previous seasons, such as goal per match, shots on target, and passing accuracy. So by analyzing this data, the team's analyst can predict how well the player will perform in the future and assess whether they fit in the team tactical needs or not. Same way, the team might find that a particular striker excels in converting chances when players against high pressing defenses or not. So this aligns with the team counter attacking styles and could make the player more good for the team. So same way, if we talk about the game theory in football, it is basically used to help the penalty kicks by modeling the strategies, choices of the penalty taker and goalkeeper. So basically in this game, the taker can shoot left, right, or center, while the goalkeeper can dive in any direction or stay in the center. So analysts can use mixed strategies to predict the optimal strategy for both players. So this helps to improve the team's penalty taking and defense tactics. So if we talk about the use of computer vision in football, so it helps in automated highlight generation. So automated highlight generation is a technology that uses computer vision to create match highlights without human input. So by teaching machine learning models on large amount of video data, these systems can learn to identify critical events in a football match, like goals, saves, and significant changes. So same way, a model might analyze the ball's movement, the player position, and the crowd reaction also to detect whether the goal has been scored or not. But if we are using the statistical learning alone to do the sports analytics, then there are a lot of challenges also along with this, like identifying and measuring player style, evaluating a player or team's impact on the pitch, then is predicting future action, assigning credit for action, then analyzing complex game strategies. So basically, till now, analysts use metrics such as high-intensity runs, tackles, or recoveries in advanced position to quantify a team or a player's style. So assessing impact beyond goals involve analyzing factors like pass completion rates or player position during critical phases of the game. So by overcoming these challenges, football analytics can offer profound insights into the game and help team to optimize strategies also. So same way, if we are applying game theory to the sports analytics only, then again there are a lot of complex and ever-changing issues may arise. So some of the challenges may include complex strategy interactions, human behavior and irrationality, incomplete information, ever-changing sport condition, difficulty in measuring outcomes, same way multiple possible results, continuous player learning and ethical issues. So to make game theory more effective in sports, it is necessary to consider the target audience and tailor the information accordingly. So same way, if we are applying computer vision alone to the football analytics, so these challenges arise started from technical to environmental, and which include factors such as differing lights and weather conditions, obstructions that hinder computer vision system from tracking players, balls, actions, so camera angles, and quality that significantly enhance the effectiveness of the system. Then is complex player movement, interactions that require sophisticated models to capture and interpret accurately. So these are various issues that may arise if we are applying all these technologies alone. So get the real potential of this football analytics, we need to combine statistical learning, computer vision, and game theory. The combination could lead to a more integrated approach like automated video assistant coach, which would enhance the game for players, coaches, and fans by improving understanding and performance in the football. So to address these challenges, there are two primary goals that need to focus is. First one is learning representation that accurately characterize the long-term playing style of the football team. And the second one is developing contextual representation of the team that can effectively depict in-game dynamics. So the integration of predictive and prescriptive models with game theory analysis is anticipated to be closely assigned. That can help to identify new opportunities for coaches, decision makers, such as predictive models focused on football players at the trajectory levels. Same with injury prediction also, because it is a very critical area within the football analytics. Here the requirement is forecast the likelihood of player injuries based on past and current season data. This is also the challenge that we can resolve through the combination of all the three things. The next issue is the human-centric nature of the football analytics, which emphasized by its focus on enhancing individual and team performance through predictive and prescriptive models, injury and fatigue prediction, and psychological analysis of players. So this approach considers interplayer relationships, psychological changes, and player discipline also. So automated video assistant coach football analytics have recently evolved, particularly with the introduction of multi-models. So these models utilize different data types such as audio, video, and written reports to comprehensively understand the game. So the process of manual labeling and preparing this data is a time-consuming and expensive task. So AI can automate the data collection process, accelerate the process while allowing coaches and decision makers to focus on developing game strategies. So it could revolutionize how players, coaches, and fans experience the game. It can observe players' performance during a game and identify areas that require improvement also. Additionally, it can offer players tips to enhance their skills and suggest strategies before the game starts. So it can also evaluate player performance in different playing positions to determine their best fit. Similarly, coaches who typically manage their time carefully and have numerous players to look after stand to get benefits significant from this system. The system can recommend players for the team lineup, provide guidance on which player to scout or trade, and also can help and develop game plans to exploit the opposing team weaknesses and defend against their strength. So by automating the labeling and annotation of data, the system aims to make data collection more accessible and develop new learning algorithms in the football game. So this technology can reduce the need for manual data labeling and potentially transform how football analytics and sports systems operate.